Dear students, how are you? I think all of you are well by the grace of God. After a long period of 18 months, we are able to attend the school due to the bad impact of COVID-19. In that period, we had to follow many rules, and yet now we have to follow that rules. That means wearing mask, keep at least 3 meter distance from others, and in this time we some has taken vaccine provided by our honorable government. Now, this is Shekhar Mazumder, assistant teacher, Eunus Secondary School, Mongla, Bagerhat. Today, I am going to discuss about tag courses. Isn't it? Do you know what is tag courses? I think all of you have used these forms of questions in our day-to-day life, especially when we are in conversation with others. Then we want to get another support, and to get the support, we use this form of questions. So it will be very easy for you to use these forms of questions in your conversation, isn't it? Yes, it's very easy. If you will be concentrate to my class, then it will be very easy for you to use this form in your day-to-day life, in your conversation, or in your exam paper. So now come to the point. Dear students, tag questions. In sentence, assertive sentence, we can get two types of sentence: with auxiliary verb and without auxiliary verb. That is, he is swim. Swim. In this sentence, is it auxiliary verb or finite verb? Swim. This is finite verb and it is auxiliary verb. But if I say he swims in the pond, in this sentence, swims is finite verb. But is there any type of helping verb or auxiliary verb? No. There is no auxiliary verb. So, if the sentence contains any type of auxiliary verb, then we have to write all the given sentence from exam paper. That is, he is swimming. Swimming. Well, we write the whole sentence from the question paper. Then we have to notice what is the auxiliary verb here. Is the auxiliary verb. And before that, we have to notice the given sentence is affirmative or negative. To go through this type of sentence, we have to classify the whole sentence into two forms, affirmative or negative. If the sentence is in affirmative form, the tag question will be in the negative form. If the statement is in negative form, then the tag question will be in the affirmative form. As the statement is in affirmative form, then the tag will be in the affirmative or in the negative form. So, and N apostrophe T, isn't it? And then you have to find out the subject. And if it is noun, then we have to use the pronoun of the given noun. Or if it is the pronoun, then we have to use the pronoun. So here the subject is in pronoun, so we have to use he and note of interrogation. So he is swimming, isn't he? It is the tag form. If we write a sentence using noun, Rahul has given the book. Here, has is the auxiliary verb, so we have to write has, and as it is in affirmative form, then we have to use int, hasn't. The pronoun of the Rahul will be he, hasn't, and at last the note of interrogation. Rahul has given the book, hasn't he? And it's the right form of that. If the sentence is in plural form as fish can fly, fish can fly. Here we have to use can apostrophe can't. The pronoun of fish will be it. But if the sentence is in fishes can fly, here the tag person will be can fishes. What's the pronoun of fishes? He, it, or they? They can't. They. So now we will notice the sentence without helping her. He went to Dhaka. He went to Dhaka. Here the sentence has no auxiliary verb. The sentence which has no auxiliary verb, there we have to use do, does, or did. If the sentence is in present indefinite tense, then we have to use do. If the subject of the sentence is in third person singular number, then we have to use does. Or if the sentence is in past indefinite tense, then we have to use did. Here the sentence is in did went, or that is past indefinite tense. We have to use did and it didn't, he didn't, he. Okay. But if the sentence is in negative form, what will happen? We are not going. Well, here the sentence is in negative form. The tag will be in the affirmative form. Then the auxiliary verb is in are. The not will be excluded from the sentence. Now are and the pronoun of the subject. Are we. Okay. And sometimes there arises a problem of pronoun of subject. If the subject is in abstract noun, the pronoun will be it. Okay, dear students, how is it? Is very difficult or very easy? I think if you practice more and more, it will be very easy for you and you will very easily get the full marks. So always follow the rules. Thank you. All the best.